After the recent fires in the Pacific Palisades, not all hope is lost. My name is Lorena Mendoza, and I am the Vice President of Production at Alpha Structural. We were brought onto this project so that we could test the foundation that is still intact and figure out what portions of it need to get demolished and what portions can be saved so that this family can rebuild. Our engineering team came and marked the foundation, measuring what was already here, testing out different areas, and essentially figuring out where our production team needed to take the samples so that we can get an accurate reading of where the foundation stands at the moment. After 32 samples have been cored out, our production team is now going to submit them for testing, and we'll see exactly what portions of what is left can be saved for our client. If you too have lost your house in one of the recent fires, Alpha Structural is here to help you with all your foundation and structural needs.